Hey everyone, now I'll show you how to rewrite and improve your video script using AI tool like ChatGPT. It's fast, efficient, and takes your content to the next level. So let's get started. In the previous video, we just extracted our existing video script from this script. We'll just copy it from here and let's go to the ChatGPT. You can create a free account over here. I'll segment in the two sections. It's a narrator and it's AI voiceover. Two section over here. You can edit this one, and AI voice can or your other partner can say something about this one. But everything will do through AI, no problem. My hands there, tools to shape beauty from stone. Skip this one, okay? So I need a prompt from here, okay? So this is the prompt, okay? We can just put this prompt in the tool like InVideo or any other tool. I just remove this. This is the prompt, and this is the final version. I mean CTA version because this is the tool InVideo biggest update. So here's the new version. So we can create a new video with this script. Okay, using the InVideo platform. InVideo is a AI video platform. You can just see from the Google. There's a tool, and definitely they have their affiliate option. Yeah, where's the affiliate link? Yeah, there's the affiliate link. Actually, they help us to get 50% commission. It's a huge amount of money, definitely. So we can promote their tool. Okay. So by the way, you can even tweak the tone, make it fun, professional, and casual just by asking yourself. So using ChatGPT isn't just about rewriting, it's about saving time and enhancing creativity, as you see. So rewriting script with AI tools like ChatGPT is a game changer for content creators. Give it a try for your next project. In the next video, I'll show you how to get different type of clips or generate clips from different tools or different websites. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.